Hello viewers, throughout this video we will be able to learn how to estimate linear regression line and other related estimates of regression. A linear relationship states a constant absolute change in the dependent variable in response to unit change in the independent variable. Linear regression is the method of studying linear relationship among the variables. Here we concentrate on linear relationship between two variables only. There are two ways of linear relationship between two variables. For two variables x and y, we get regression of x on y and regression of y on x. Linear regression of x on y is a constant absolute change in dependent variable x in response to unit change in independent variable y. Similarly, linear regression of y on x implies a constant absolute change in dependent variable y in response to unit change in independent variable x. Linear regression equation. Linear regression equation of y on x is x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. Linear regression equation of y on x is y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar, where x bar is mean of x, y bar is mean of y, r is correlation coefficient between x and y, sigma is x is the standard deviation of x and sigma y is the standard deviation of y. Linear regression equation of x and y is x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. Here r into sigma x by sigma y is known as regression coefficient, which is denoted by bxy, that is regression coefficient of x on y, and it is denoted by bxy. Similarly, in case of regression equation of y on x, the term r into sigma y by sigma x is known as regression coefficient of y on x, and that is denoted by byx. Therefore, regression coefficient of x on y is bxy equal to r into sigma x by sigma y, which is equal to summation small x small y, that is summation x and y divided by summation x square. Like that, regression coefficient of y on x is equal to is nothing but byx equal to r into sigma x by r into sigma y by sigma x equal to summation xy by summation x square, where x is deviation of variable x from its mean x bar, that is x is equal to x minus x bar, and y is also is the deviation of variable y from its mean y bar, that is y is equal to y minus y bar. Correlation coefficient of x on y or y on x or correlation coefficient between x and y is r is equal to square root of the product of regression coefficients. So that is why r is equal to square root of b xy into byx, that is regression coefficient of x and x on y multiplied by regression coefficient of y on x. So that is why we may write regression coefficient is a geometric mean of, correlation coefficient is a geometric mean of regression coefficients. Now whether it is correct or not we will see. Now take this right hand side, that is square root of bxy into byx equal to, we put the value of bxy as r into sigma x by sigma y multiplied by the value of byx is r into sigma y by sigma x. Here numerator sigma x numerator sigma x is cancelled by the denominator sigma x. Similarly, numerator sigma y is cancelled by the denominator sigma y. Thus this is equal to square root of r square, and that is equal to r, that is correlation coefficient is the geometric mean of regression coefficients. Now let us take an example. Find linear regression line x on y and y on x from the following data, where x is given as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and y is given as 4, 4, 6, 10, 12, 9, 11. Now we put this information in a table where in first column we have variable x. So first we sum up the values of x, we get summation x equal to 42. Therefore x bar is equal to summation x by n, that is 42 by 7, and that is equal to 6. Now we take the deviation small x as a x is equal small x as a x minus x bar, that is 6. So we deviate the variable x from its mean value x bar, that is 6. So 0 minus 6 is minus 6, 2 minus 6 is minus 4, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 6 minus 6 is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 6 is 4, 12 minus 6 is 6. Now we square it, x square, we get 36, square of minus 6 is 36, square of minus 4 is 16, square of minus 2 is 4, 0, 4, 16, 36. We sum up it. The summation x square is equal to 112. Again, we write the values of the variable y. Well, this is the values of the variable y we write here, and sum of it will get the summation y is equal to 56. Now y bar is equal to summation y by n, and that is equal to 56 by 7. Here 7 is the number of observations, so we get 56 by 7 is equal to 8. 8 is the mean of y, that is y bar is equal to 8. Now we calculate the deviations of y from its mean value y bar, that is small y is equal to capital Y minus 8. So 4 minus 8 is equal to minus 4, again minus 4, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, so 10 minus 8 is 2, 12 minus 8 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, 11 minus 8 is 3. Now we calculate the square of deviations, that is square of y square. So 4 square is 16, again 16, 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. So summation of y square is 66. Okay. Next we multiply the xy, that is small x and small y. That is, we multiply the corresponding deviations values of x and y. So first, minus 6 into minus 4 is equal to 24. Minus 4 into minus 4 is equal to 16. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So 0 into 2 is 0. 2 into 4 is 8. 4 into 1 is 4. 6 into 3 is 18. Now summation xy, small xy is equal to 74. Now these are the information we have to calculate to find out the regression line or regression coefficients. Now the regression coefficients of x on y is bxy is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y, and that is equal to summation xy by summation y square, and that is equal to, we put the values of summation xy, that is 74, divided by value of summation y square, that is 66. So that is equal to, we get 1.12, that is regression coefficient of x on y is found 1.12. Therefore linear regression equation of y on x is, x on y is x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. Here we put the values. So x minus 6 equal to 1.12, that is regression coefficient, into y minus 8. So x becomes x equal to 1 into 1 to y minus 1 into 1 2 into 8 is found as 8.96 plus 6, that is taking the minus 6 into the right hand side, we get this. So finally we get x is equal to 1.12 y minus 2.96. So this is the regression equation of regression equation of x on y. Now the regression coefficient of y on x is beta yx is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x, and that is equal to summation xy by summation x square. Now we put the value of summation xy as 74 and summation x square is 112. So we get beta yx is equal to 74 by 112. So after dividing this 74 by 112, we get 0.66. So 0.66 is the regression coefficient of y on x, that is byx is equal to 0.66. Now linear regression equation of y on x is this. Here we put the values, that is y minus 8 equal to 0.66 into x minus 6. So after simplification we get y is equal to 0.66x minus 3.96, that is 0.66 multiplied by 6 is found as 3.96. So we have negative sign here, plus 8. So we get y is equal to 0.66 into x plus 4.04. So this is the regression line of y on x. We know that the variance of x, that is sigma square for x, is summation x by n, that is the variance of x, and this is the variance of y. Now variance of x, that is sigma square x, is equal to summation x square by n, that is what summation x square is 112 divided by 7 is equal to 16. That is variance of x is found as 16. So standard deviation of x is the square root of the variance. So that is equal to square root of 16. So that is equal to 4. We get the positive square root of variance as a standard deviation. So standard deviation of x is found 4 and variance of x is found as 16. Similarly, variance of y is equal to summation y square by n, that is 66 by 7, and that is equal to 9.429. So standard deviation y is the square root of the variance of y equal to square root of 9.429, and that is equal to 3.07. So linear regression equation of x and y is found as x is equal to 1.12y minus 2.96, and linear regression equation of y on x is found y is equal to 0.66x plus 4.04, where standard deviation of x is 4 and standard deviation of y is 3.07. Again here the regression coefficient of x and y is 1.12 and regression coefficient of y on x is 0.66. Therefore, correlation coefficient is equal to correlation coefficient r is equal to square root of bxy into byx. So here we put the values of regression coefficients, that is square root of 1.22 multiplied by 0.66. So that is equal to square root of 0.7392, and that is equal to 0.86. So correlation coefficient r is equal to 0.86. Again, okay, here we have estimated the regression line of x on y and y on x. Now we calculate the estimated value for x and for y. For the first time, we calculate the estimated value of x from their estimated regression line by putting the values of y on the estimated regression line of x on 1. We get the estimated value of xe. Here, after putting the values of y on this equation, we get these variables. Now we deviate this estimated value of x from its actual value. We get this, and their summation is summation of the deviations are 0. Now we square did the deviations of x from its estimated value. We get their squares is like this, and we sum up, that is summation x minus estimated value of x, that is xe square, is equal to 29.0304. So from this information we can calculate the standard error of the regression line x on y as equal to, this is square root of summation x minus xe whole square by n, and that is equal to square root of 29.0304 by 7, and that is equal to found 2.036. So that is the standard error of the regression line x on y. Here we can calculate the regression, here we can calculate the r square, that is coefficient of determination, that is called the r square of x on y is equal to 1 minus square of the standard error of the regression equation x on y divided by variance of x. Here we put the values, that is 1 minus 2.036 whole square divided by 16. We get 1 minus 0.26, that is 0.74. So r square is found as 0.74. That means 74% of the variations of x on y is explained by this information. Again, we calculate the estimated value of y from the regression equation y on x. We get the estimated value of y as a ye. So these are the estimated value of ye. We get the deviations of y from its estimated value ye, and we square it. Then we get summation y minus ye whole square is equal to 17.1072. Here also we calculate the standard error of the regression equations y on x. So this is the formula. Here we put the values, that is square root of 17.1072 by 7, and that is equal to 1.563. Here r square of the regression line y on x is equal to 1 minus standard error square of the standard error of y on x divided by variance of y. Here we put the values, and finally we get the r square for y on x is also 0.74. So finally we get the regression equation of x on y is this, where standard error is 2.036, and linear regression equation of y on x is this, where the standard error is 1.563. Coefficient of determination r square is found 0.74, and correlation coefficient is found 0.86. So this is how we can estimate the regression line or regression equations and other related estimates of regression. Thank you.